How to buy premium in Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can buy premium on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Buying premium on Spotify is actually a fairly simple task to do. All you have to do is go to spotify.com. I'd recommend you go to Spotify from your browser, not from the app. Then log into the account you want to get premium. Tap on the gear icon located at the top right hand side of the screen here, and after that what you want to do is simply go to the tab known as premium. Once you go to this premium tab over here, you'll find all these sorts of information where you can simply look for a certain plan that you want, because now you have so many plans available. You can select a plan that you'd like over here, and after you do that, it will take you to the payment information page where you can simply enter your PayPal or your credit or debit card. Then depending on what is it you prefer, you can select that. Select your card number, expiration date or the security code. Tap the buy now option to buy the premium. That's all it takes to buy Spotify premium or premium in Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.